Hello everyone, good day. This is my computer networks practicals. This is my assignment, which is cable termination. Made this using a Cat6 cable and then RJ45. I place it in the tester to test for the cables to make sure that the cables are working. So let's get into the steps of how I made this with my tools. First of all, I removed the outer layer, which is the coating of the wires, the cable, sorry, and then I removed the wires from the innermost shielding, and then I cut it off with my pliers. After cutting it off, this is what I should have, yes. And then I arranged the cables using the color combination white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, and then brown. And then I aligned it perfectly. After aligning it, I cut it using my pliers. I cut the end off. Yes, I cut it off to achieve that straightness I want, and then I inserted it into my RG45. After putting it into the RG45, I make sure I put it inside very well, and then I use my crimping tool to crimp it very hard so that the Cat6 cable will not come out of the RG45. Yes, so I repeated the same process for the other end of the cable. I removed the first layer, the coating of the wires, and then I also cut off the shielding that is inside, and then I used my pliers to cut off the end after arranging them in the color combination I used for the first one, and then I inserted it into my RG45 again, inserting it very well so that it will align perfectly. And then I used my crimping tool to crimp it and then hold it into place so that the Cat6 won't come out of the RG45. Then I inserted it into my cable tester and switched it on, and that's it. I am done with my practicals. You can see very well that the tester is reading all of the cables and they are all working. As you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That's it everyone. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.